Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the internal battery in an Acura TL key fob. This key fob comes in a couple different variations. This one has 4 buttons, some of them have, I think it's 5 buttons, 3 buttons, it doesn't matter. If it looks like this, if it has the flipping internal key, you just follow the same instructions, super easy. You'll have your new battery in no time. All you will need is one CR1616 battery. I'll leave a link for you to get one of those on Amazon. They're just a couple bucks. It's really easy just to get it sent right to your door. And then the other thing you will need is a precision screwdriver. This is a 1.4 millimeter flathead screwdriver. Got it from a set like this. If you don't have one of these precision screwdrivers, you can get this on Amazon. It's like a couple bucks and it's really handy around the house. And you will need this for this little screw right there. So the first step is actually to remove this screw on the bottom of the key fob. So let's go ahead and do that. Take your screwdriver and just pull that out. Put that to the side, do not lose it. From here, we can now lift this front part up. See if I can show you, just like that. This will start to come up and kind of hang and be hinged on there. And now you're going to pull this out. And it might feel a little bit weird first, but it's going to click out. That's not the sound of anything breaking. That's just the mechanism. Just pull it out with a click. Set this to the side. Now, if you push on the button, this little part will come right out. This is where the battery is. On the right side here, there is a little indentation, a little slot for you to put your tool into, flathead screwdriver, and twist to loosen them, to loosen the 2 pieces of plastic and just get in there where the battery is. So go ahead and put this in and twist, just enough for you to pull it apart with your fingers. There we go, here's our battery. The same tool you can get under the battery. If you see it coming in the corner, you just get under it and pry, it will pop right out. This is the CR1616 battery. Take a new one, make sure the positive side of this battery information, you can see that, it goes down, just like this, and position it and click it into place. Now, all that's left to do is reconnect everything. So I'm going to go ahead and click this back together. Can go ahead and check that the battery works. That light will come on. And then we can put this back together. And now it's going to go in the same way it came out, kind of just at an angle like this. You can just push it in and you'll hear that click, be kind of hanging like that. And you just click that part down and that's it. Just put the screw back in. Tighten it up. And you are all done. You're good to go. If this video helped you out, feel free to leave a like or comment. And if you want a full guide on how to change the battery in this key fob or in any Acura key fob, go ahead, click the link in the description to go to fobbattery.com and see all that we have to offer. Thank you so much for watching.